Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the custom visual by MAQ software called the Venn diagram. First, load your data as it can be seen on the screen and transform it if required. Our dataset contains name of student and subject which they have chosen. Now we click on Get More Visual and search for our Venn diagram visual. Once the visual have been loaded, click on it. Then drag subjects to categories and student name to measures. It can be seen that 5 students have taken English and 4 students have taken German and 3 students have taken both German and English. We can similarly add more subjects to our Venn diagram. We can also change the color for any subject. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.